The ELIDZ Science and Technology Park was conceptualized as the ideal collaboration platform to incubate and foster the development of relevant innovations for the Eastern Cape region and beyond. We aim to provide the catalyst for a multiple helix ecology which brings together the private sector, the public sector community, and the tertiary sector to turn a fragmented value chain into a streamlined plan for a globally competitive and sustainable economic future. Strategically, we are establishing a capability that will attract new innovators and provide them with the environment and resources necessary to rapidly develop their prototypes to the point where they are showcased as technology demonstrators and commercialized, creating the potential to ultimately set up factories or industries within the IDZ. To complete the circle, we provide a collaboration and networking facility for investors and solution seekers in industry and commerce to connect with relevant innovations. We currently have a number of exciting and promising prototypes, particularly in the renewable energy sector, in keeping with the industrial development strategy of the ELIDZ. The park provides a dynamic and supportive environment where innovators and developers can focus on their innovations, while tenant incubation support services give startups the assistance they need to become fully fledged businesses. The park's service offering includes a variety of laboratories and training platforms, networking solutions, as well as a groundbreaking open innovation platform. The range of laboratory facilities at the STP are set to fill a critical niche within the Eastern Cape by providing analytical testing facilities to the tenants of the ELIDZ-STP as well as local entities in the region. They will also be used in a range of research processes commissioned by the ELIDZ, tertiary institutions, the private sector and government, based on the broadly consulted research and innovation agenda. In addition, they will serve as a key training platform to supply industry with a highly skilled workforce, while simultaneously drawing highly educated technical experts back to the region to contribute to the development of the economy. Thanks to a strategic alliance with government and the public sector, the STP has already established a consulting and analytical services laboratory specializing in chemical and microbiological analysis, the first of its kind in the Eastern Cape. The state-of-the-art facility will serve as an ideal testing hub for the province. With full SANAS accreditation obtained, it is set to position the ELIDZ as a leading service provider in the field. An innovative collaboration workspace has been incorporated into the park's design to create a functional and attractive interactive space where creative ideas and technical solutions can cross-pollinate. InnoSpace is the ideal space for innovators, investors, and solution seekers to come together, collaborate, and accelerate their innovations to develop into world-class solutions. The ELIDZ-STP offers our prospective innovators an environment geared to your success, with flexible leasing options and access to a community passionate about enhancing your product offerings and facilitating your business growth. We provide ongoing support through regular knowledge forums and debates, advisory services, as well as access to a variety of appropriate funding. Join us in establishing an innovation ecology at the East London IDZ's Science and Technology Park and play your part in the sustainable future of the Eastern Cape through the realization of today's great ideas.